Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Come back to my channel. So this is a technical info of this channel. So how to pull out this one? First, sabi ko, kung baguhan na kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, this channel. Ito lang masabi ko, dalawang saludo, dalawang upload, you know. Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Come back to my channel. So this is a technical info of this channel. So how to pull out this one? First, this one makes to need to compress the piston, this one caliper piston, so that very easy to install. So first this one, okay, I need to change this because the not good. So like this, press the caliper piston like this. Okay, it slowly, you see. So this one, see, after this one, like this, you see. Pero okay, so very easy to pull out. This one is clip, remove this one, okay, like this. So you see, now it's already pulled out the brake pads. I changed this one because the thickness is not good, you see. So this is the metal, so this is the lining. Next is here, pull out this one. Okay. Next here, pull out. So pull out this one. We pull out this one because this is need to replacing also. Okay.